Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a group video call on Telegram group. It's very simple. First you can open your Telegram app on your Android or iPhone, and then you can navigate to your group. This is my group. I will click it, and then you can simply click the name of your group in the top, and after that there is three dots in the top right corner. You can click it. And then as you can see, there is option to start video chat. This is the video group call for Telegram. You can click it. And then this is the display. You can choose whatever you want. Let's say I want to choose like this. And then you can also schedule it, or if not, you can just click start video chat and it will immediately start the video group call. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.